In this video, I am going to show you how to activate a YouTube TV free trial using a code. If you've received a promotional code for a free trial, here's how to use it. Start by visiting the official YouTube TV website or app and begin the sign-up process. When prompted to enter your payment details, look for an option like Have a Code or Redeem a Promo Code. Click on it and input the code you received. Make sure to double-check the code for accuracy before submitting it. Once the code is applied, your account will reflect the free trial period or discount associated with the promotion. Complete the rest of the sign-up process, including selecting your plan and confirming your subscription. After activation, you'll have access to all of YouTube TV's features during the trial period. Be mindful of the trial end date to avoid unexpected charges if you don't cancel in time. If this video helped you activate your YouTube TV free trial using a code, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.